Hi, welcome back to my channel, Sister with a Purpose, where I give you uplifting motivational messages and let you know what's going on. Thank you for my new subscribers. Welcome to Sister with a Purpose land, okay? Where we talk about everything, we talk about your growth. We want to talk about your finances. We talk about self-improvement and love, what's happening in divine relationships, karmic relationships, the Most High, what He needs you to know, He, she, it, however you may view the Most High. All right, but tonight I want to do something a little different. I wanted to pull a spread, and do a reading on why I am hearing police sirens and fire truck sirens when I am recording. What is it that my collective needs to know? What does that mean for my collective? What does it mean for my collective when we hear the fire sirens as well as police sirens while doing the video? What does that mean for my collective? Direct judgment. King of Swords is here. It means I'm speaking to you in a direct authoritative state. Yep. Ace of Wands. The Star. High Priestess. This is beautiful. Okay. So we got 2 minor and 2 major arcana cards. So basically, what I'm getting from these cards is that whenever we hear the sirens, the police sirens, the fire truck sirens, in that very moment of whatever I'm speaking about, it's nothing but confirmation behind sacred intuition, direct judgment. We are both where we both need to be. Like, I need to be 222. Ooh, yes. 222 as I looked up. Like, I'm here and you watching this here, you meant to hear this message when you get this message. It is urgently being presented to you. Urgently being presented to you. Tower moment. Sudden realizations that I speak clarity and truth from the divine. I don't know if you've been watching all of my videos consistently, but I said maybe about 2 videos back that when I see the King of Swords, I see the Most High, because this person is sitting with authority in the clouds. Okay, the King of Swords, the Most High, like, you want this mental clarity, you want this Ace of Swords energy. Yes, my darling, continue to pay attention to the video and get what you need to get from it. I stand on this. Yes, what is it that my daughter needs to tell you? Would you like to hear about your new opportunities? Would you like to hear about how your new passions may be a success? Would you like to hear about the new opportunities to fulfill your life's purpose? To be spiritually inclined and imbalanced. Someone could be spiritually imbalanced right now. And if you are, do the things necessary needed in order to get balanced. There's new opportunities for you to be in your life's purpose. Spirituality in check. This is my spirituality in check card, right? But when I see the Star and I see new wands, I see Ace of Wands, I feel like there are new opportunities for you to be a star. And you being a star means you living in whatever you feel is your life purpose. Whatever you feel is your true calling. And I'm here as a guide to help you along that path. Sacred intuition coming right on out with the Star. Oh, my fingers are itching. New money on the way. Sudden realizations. Whoa, that's too many. Can I get one more clarity? One more clarifying card. One more clarity. What's going on, baby? Maybe because it's 2 in the morning. Can I get one more clarifying card for 2 King of Swords, please? Looking at, I see him as God, Most High. King of Swords. Why is the King of Swords out here for my collective? As to why we hear sirens when watching most of my videos. Ooh, wait. The devil. Somebody don't want you watching these readings. Somebody don't want you getting these messages. Somebody wants you to stay in a low vibrational energy. Hence the devil. Toxic. Someone doesn't want me speaking about your new opportunities. The devil himself is being nosy. He's listening too. And our spiritual guides are allowing us to know every time we hear those sirens. Like, hey, you got ears around you. Hey. You remember that saying? Have you ever heard that saying? That when you pray, the devil is listening to. You may be asking God for this, that, and the third, and it show up. And you're like, oh, wow, God is here. And it's really from the devil. He's spying. He's lurking. He's thinking for information behind your new opportunities. So he can know how to come in and stop you from getting to this state. I feel it strong. I feel it strong. It's a devil energy somewhere. Every time we on here, somebody lurking, somebody watching. King of Cups. I ain't doing reversals tonight. King of Cups, you get your silly ass back in the pile. I don't have time for that. Give me one for the star. Give me one clarifying card for the star. Page of Swords, King of Swords, the devil. Wow. One for the star, please. A clarifying card for the star. 8 of Swords, yeah. Damn, it's a lot of mental energy. The sirens are going off to alert you. Alert you to be aware of this. See, the devil is the author of chaos, confusion, illusions, sickness. He wants to come into my readings because he knows I'm a representative of the Most High. He knows 808, as I said that. Thank you, Most High. He knows that I am not on his team. I don't play for his team. I don't get down with the get down. And he know the only way he even gonna hear me talk about his motherfucking ass is in these readings. He wanna listen too. He wanna listen for the tea, so he can know how to attack you and keep you in this energy so that you won't elevate to this energy. Look at him like, oh no, I will not let her have the Ace of Wands. I will not let them have the Ace of Wands. I will not let them have the Ace of Swords. For mental clarity, for them to be in their star energy? Oh no, for what? I imagine he probably don't sound like that, but that was the best I can give you at the time. But the devil wants you to be 808, as I said that, and this 8 of Swords. He wants you to have an abundance of 8 of Swords energy in the spiritual and in the physical. He wants you to be bound to low vibrational energy so that he can keep feeding this chain on your yin and yang energy. And didn't I say this is my God card? He reminds me of God. Isn't it funny how the devil come out on the card that I say that reminds me of God? Isn't it funny how he come out here looking like this? Like, oh God, you're trying to give them the Ace of Swords? No, I want the Ace of Swords. Remember this, the devil got demoted. He used to be, you know, with God. Homeboy. Run tell that, homeboy. But he's trying to steal your mental clarity, your mental energy. And that's why we're hearing the sirens in the readings. There's a spiritual battle going on. We cannot see it. But the divine allows earthly things to sound off for confirmation of these battles, of these wrestles, yeah. Of this wrestling of the flesh and spirit. This is deeper than what I expected it to be, goddamn. The devil attacks you in your mind. I know this is Page of Swords. Page of Swords is someone who's seeking information, which is the devil. He's seeking information. His energy is watching these videos, lurking in the shadows. He comes to kill, steal, and destroy. But he can't destroy your purpose. He can't do that. It was already written in the stars. It was already written in your Akashic records for you to be in alignment at the perfect time that you watch this video, whenever you need to watch this video, to become enlightened. I said enlightened. Aligned. Enlightened. Aligned. Either way it go, look at this. He's trying to take this same string and wrap it around your physical body and blind you spiritually, bind you with the energy of defeat, victim mentality. Don't go over there thinking you know star after watching this video. So if you start feeling low, or you start feeling down, or you start feeling like, oh, you're doubting the message, or you're doubting the abundance that I say is yours to have, you rebuke that nigga. You send him back to wherever he coming from. You send him back. Because he ain't nothing but a hater. He mad. He is mad. He is bounded with the same string tied to the waist. This same string. If you notice, these 3 cards are the only 3 cards that they have this string of bondagement and I don't even know what to call it. The spirit of feeling like you tied down to something. When you look at these 3 cards, there's no strings. This is high vibing energy. This is top tier shit. This ain't no top tier shit. That's why you got strings in every goddamn card. Somebody could be doing knot magic, trying to bind you, some type of binding magic. Yeah, my air mesh just sped up as I said that. You see how he has this star on top of him, on top of his head. He's like, no, you're going to fulfill my purpose. So he wants to come into the reading to get a little insight, so he can see how he can manipulate you and distort you into going into his direction instead of the Most High direction. It ain't gonna work. Give me one card for the High Priestess. Not in my motherfucking video. You better go sit your ashy ass in the back seat. We got the 5 of Pentacles. We got the 9 of Pentacles. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Which leads back to the 5 of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles. 4 of Pentacles. This is the season where it is getting colder. He wants you to be out in the cold about your 9 of Pentacles energy. See how both of these deal with money? Remember I just got done telling you about the abundance. Remember, I just got done telling you, like, if you leave my video feeling like you're doubting that the abundance is yours, this is the energy that motherfucker wants you in. But if you keep consulting with your guides, like I stated in my previous video, there ain't no motherfucking way he could put you in this energy. There ain't no way. Because at the end of the day, 9 talks about fulfillment. How you skip from the 5 to the 9? You just skipping motherfucking cards? That ain't nothing but the Most High exalting you. The Most High don't want you out in the cold. He wants you to hear these messages. He wants you to have spiritual insight, spiritual enlightenment, sound judgment, sound mind. I can only help steer you in the right direction. I can't give you all the clarity you need. Of course, you must go on your own time, do your own study, your own work, your own affirmations, your own meditations, your own self-care routines, eating healthy, sleeping healthy, thinking wealthy, manifesting that shit in the physical. 1616 is how I look up. Abundance and good luck is yours. That's what the high priestess is here for. Look at this. Look at all this low vibrational energy. And then at the end, you still come out as a 9 of Pentacles. So I wish a motherfucker would try to say, oh, I don't feel like, oh, it didn't come. Don't bring that low ass energy over here. Because guess what? When you in the energy of patience, it's another top tier person. When you in the energy of patience, temperance energy, you balancing out your energies, you in your spiritual divine right and purpose. Who gonna stop what? Where? How? Oh, you didn't get that job. Oh, you didn't get this. Oh, you didn't get that. Well, who the fuck said you didn't get it? Why are you telling yourself you didn't get it just because it ain't here yet? And you know this is a card of patience and balance. Patience is the key here. You can tell the devil he can go take them strings and tie up his own motherfucking self. Ain't nobody got time for that shit. You can keep that funky shit wherever he found it. But when he ain't gonna keep it with my collective, it's too many. Because I'll be over here preaching. I'm gonna put these cards away. Okay, I'm going to pull 1 card for the Telltale deck. I just want to know further, have clarification as to why we are hearing police and fire sirens when we get into the nitty gritty of the videos for my collective. Can I have 1 card to further clarify and solidify everything that we just spoke about? Run in the opposite direction. Seven. Didn't I just get done saying 7 good luck is on your side? Luck on your side. Divine miracles. That's why we hear those sirens. Every time we hear a siren, oh, claim it. We defeated the enemy. A battle has already been won. Your third eye in your throat chakra. Somebody wants to attack that, bind that. Somebody want to bind your throat chakra, bind your third eye. They don't want you to be intuitive. They don't want you to speak the truth, sister with a purpose. They don't want you to have a purpose. They don't want you in the energy of manifesting love, money, and dreams. Then I just got done talking about somebody being in the 8 of Swords energy, talking about they didn't get that promotion or they didn't get that money. But we seen the 10 of Cups and we seen temperance. Oh, baby, please. It's already yours for the taking if you're watching my video. Your root chakra is already been sorted out. Even if it ain't balanced now, be of patience and it will come to you. It will be in balance. In balance, not imbalance, okay? 2 talks about balance. You're going to have balance in the spiritual and in the physical. if you continue to watch these videos, if you continue to take the divine message, the divine recipe for reciprocity, for prosperity, for dignity, and covering yourself with grace and moving on from low vibrational energies. Leadership is here for you. If you want to start a business, start your business. If you want to write, I'm right. And somebody may want to be a writer. Somebody may want to write. Just start writing. If you don't know what you want to write about, just write. Continue to write every day until it clicks. Light bulb go off. Because that's how the Most High works. When he sees you in faith, in repetitive faith, in repetition of faith, you think he ain't gonna come in here and show up and show out? I remember a few videos back I talked about him being the legs of our table. I got a lot of things up here on this table. You can't see the legs of the table. But you know that there's legs underneath this table because you see the cards on the table. It's the same thing with life. You may not be able to see the Most High, but you know he here. 12:21, as I said that. You got support in the spiritual realm. Every time we hear them sirens, 21, savages. Your ancestors, divine relatives, savages. They taking niggas out. Just like that, wiping their ass out. We gonna wipe them out like a baby. I show you crazy. They say I'm crazy. I think that's from that Tonight song by Side Baby. All right, let's get an affirmation card and let's keep it moving. Living my best life. I ain't going back and forth with you niggas. Smile, bitch. Come on. Some of y'all need to smile more. Even if you need to smile by yourself, I understand you want to smile to these demons. You don't want to smile to these people up in your face that you know ain't been doing you right, talking behind your back. You know what I'm saying? I feel you. But when you get in the room by yourself, smile. I dare you to smile. And hold that smile for as long as you can. 222. Twos can be significant. You can be saying 222 on the clock. That's a lot. Ooh, that's a lot, Most High. You know what? If you were fasting, you can stop fasting if you would like. It's all about moderation. You don't want to fast too long. This is a lot of cards, but I'm gonna take them all. I'm gonna save them. I'm gonna end the video because we already at 22 minutes. And I promise you, when it get past 30 minutes, it take my ass forever to upload these videos. You are on the right path. Don't let the devil, because he in here lurking and want information, trying to figure out how he can recruit you to his team and tie your ass up and have you in bondage. Don't let him think you're not on the right path. That's what this card is here for. You definitely on the right path. You got 7, 7, 12, 12. You manifesting your love, your dreams. You got good luck on your side. When you see this devil energy anywhere in your mind, you see this 8 of Swords energy creep up, because the Page of Swords and the 8 of Swords is the 9 of Swords. With the devil next to him, the God on top of the devil. I don't care if the devil do want to come out here and play. God got us, baby. God got the children. The devil run the playground, but God own the building. What's that Kanye West song? Don't forget that. God own this building. God own your table. When you aligning with the Most High, you aligning with the winning team. Ain't no coming in between that. Ain't no coming in between your success, your purpose here on this earthly plane. You see that devil coming, I don't give a fuck how he manifests. You run in the opposite direction. He try to cloud your throat chakra, try to get you to say some fucked up shit. You rebuke that. Get you some warm water and some sea salt or some Himalayan salt if you need a little self-love. Swish it around. Gargle it like 2-3 times. Okay? Cleanse out that throat chakra energy. Salt. Get rid of attacks, physical attacks. Get rid of magical attacks. Get rid of spiritual blockage. Get you some salt. It's about the intention. When God sees your intentions are to be better, He will continue to help you go on your right path. Damn, then I say I wasn't going to sit up here and do all this. I'm just read the cards. I can't help it. If I feel I need help, I seek for help. Lord, I need you to wrap your arms around me. Listen to some music that helps you feel better from the inside out. Get some rest and recover. I am abundant. Let me tell you something. This is going to be the affirmation here. I am abundant and manifesting love, money, and dreams. No person or no schemes can come in between what the Most High has for me. I am abundant and manifesting love, money, and dreams. No schemes can come in between what the Most High has for me. Okay? I make time to travel. We know that when you get into a routine of everyday living, it can become mundane. Get outside of your everyday routine. Even if you just gotta take a drive and you don't know where the hell you're going, just go. Because it feels good when you enter a space you have not been. Oh, I didn't sit over there. Oh, I didn't know we had this down there. That feels good. That's good for the body. Because it makes you feel like you've been somewhere, even if you don't have time to make time for traveling at the moment. It will get opened up soon. Those vacations you want to take, those trips that you want to visit, those overseas trips that you want to be about, oh, it will happen. It's going to come into fruition. It's yours for the taking. Remember that. My career aspirations are thriving. We already know this because the Nine of Pentacles done showed herself. The Most High wants you to focus on you. I can't make this up. I can't make this up. Hey, I can't make this up. These are all the affirmations. Anytime you hear a siren, you can choose any of these things and repeat them to yourself. You hear a siren go off in the video while I'm doing the video. Oh, my career aspirations are thriving. Oh, there's another siren. I make time to travel. Oh, there's another siren. I'm abundant. Oh, there's another siren. I get rest and I recover. Oh, there's another siren. Because normally when we hear sirens, either the police going to get somebody, aka your divine relatives, the Most High coming for that ass of the people that may have betrayed you, or it is the fire truck, or it is the ambulance coming to help somebody. So somebody either finna get that ass tapped or somebody finna get help. You can even say this. Oh, if I feel I need help, I seek for help. Oh, my help is on the way. Every time I hear a siren, I'm gonna start saying my help is on the way. I'm on my right path. Oh, boop, boop, boop. God, you are my healer. Help in the time of need. Hallelujah. I shall receive it. Just got done saying this. How beautiful is that for it to be in my hand? All family ain't good family. Move them out my life, Lord. You hear a siren, I'm doing a reading about some fuck shit. Ooh, move them out my life, Lord. There go your affirmation right there. I love myself enough to move forward. Ooh, move them out my life, Lord. Take them. Take them where you need to take me. Take them. All right, you all. It's been fun. I hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.